Hello everyone, it's Brad Filipponi here from BoxBrownie.com, and today I'm gonna reveal the 10 biggest real estate photography mistakes that could be costing you listings and buyers. If you're a real estate agent or photographer, this video is a must watch. By the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid these common pitfalls and create photos that sell properties faster. So let's dive into it. Okay, so mistake number one, which I see all the time, is not bracketing your shots. Bracketing is where you take multiple exposures of the same shot to capture all the details in both highlights and shadows. All the brackets then get blended together in the editing process to give you that stunning looking professional image. Bracketing is essential to prevent things like overexposed windows in your shots, which are never a good look, especially if there's a selling point view outside. The next mistake is not turning on your lights. When shooting real estate, you want to make sure you turn on all the lights, including your ceiling lights, lamps, and kitchen range hoods. Proper lighting makes a space feel warm and inviting. And to show you exactly what I mean, here is a photo with the lights off versus one with the lights on. Makes a decent difference, doesn't it? Mistake number three is not straightening up your furniture. Make sure to push in chairs, stools, flatten creases from bedspreads, and position your pillows correctly. Doing this will give the room a more polished and professional look every time. To show you what I mean, here is an example of a room shot with unstraightened furniture versus one that has been straightened. Next up is mistake number four, which is not decluttering your shots. Leaving personal items, shoes by the front door, shampoo bottles in the bathroom, or garbage bins in the kitchen distracts anything from the property itself. Make sure to take the time to tidy up, or better yet, ask the seller to prep the space beforehand. Clean, minimal spaces sell homes. Mistake number five is not opening up all your doors. Open up doors to create a sense of flow and effectively showcase the layout of the home. While it seems like such a minor detail, taking this simple action is gonna drastically transform the look of your imagery. Here's a before and after example to show you the difference and the impact of opening up all the doors can do to the flow in your shots. Mistake number six is not framing your shots properly. Always ensure vertical lines are straight and the camera is positioned to showcase the room's best features. To show you what I mean, here's an example of a poorly framed shot compared to a really well framed one. This leads me to mistake number seven, which is not taking enough photos. Make sure to capture multiple angles of each room. This will give you multiple options to choose from later on, so you can be ensured you've selected the best photo for your property when not on site. Next up is mistake number eight, forgetting to turn off your ceiling fans. A spinning fan creates a distracting blur which streaks into your photos and can ruin the overall great image. Always take a moment to switch off fans before shooting. To show you what I mean, here's a photo with the fan turned on. Notice all that blurriness in the shot versus one shot with the fan off. I feel it makes a massive difference. What's your thoughts? Okay, so moving on to mistake number nine, which is not opening up blinds or curtains. Natural light makes a space feel brighter, more inviting, and if there's a view outside, you definitely want to show this off. On the screen right now, will show you the difference with the blinds closed on this example versus the blinds open. How much does that view outside sell the property? And finally, mistake number 10 is not getting your photos professionally edited. Editing makes a huge difference in how polished your listing looks. To show you the difference, I'm going to put a couple of examples of photos on the screen right now, showing the power of editing and how much of a difference it honestly makes. Editing is very affordable as well, with pricing starting at just $1.60 US per image. And there you have it, 10 real estate photography mistakes that could be costing you sales. Avoid these and create photos that grab attention, generate interest, and close deals faster. And if you've never used our service before, I'd love to personally offer you 4 free photo edits. To claim, simply click on the 4 free edits button on the left-hand side of the screen right now. No credit card and no subscriptions are required to sign up. See you on the next video.